What is up, guys? So I took a $200 dub today, and I took like another $100 win yesterday. So that really helps the account. So I'm not gonna lie, I had to remake this video because I literally like was showing off this whole cruise. So okay, I'm getting a little. Okay, you guys probably don't understand. I'm in a cruise. Okay, I'm near like Cuba right now. I had to fly down to Miami, board the cruise. All of this, it's amazing. This is my little cabin right here, bro. I'm with my friend, but he is not. He's getting a massage. So let's get into this. I was. I took like 2 minutes of that video. I was like, guys, I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on. I can't find the. I was looking at Monday instead of Tuesday, so that's what happened. Okay. I was bullish today. Bullish to this daily opening gap or this daily gap. Now let me show you. Okay, this is this right up here. Daily gap right here. Okay. Cool. Daily gap. You guys see this? 4 hour. We have this low, this 4 hour or sorry, this 4 hour gap plus we have London low right above it, literally like on top of it. Okay, so I love when that happens. It's my like favorite thing. Okay, let me tell you. So I was bullish to this. I was bullish to this daily gap, and I was bearish. Then I was bearish from there to this 4 hour gap plus on the low. Then I was bullish from that. So price perfectly played out like how I thought it was going to. So I'll get into it. We had this five. So pre-market we had. Okay, 5 minute gap respected. Make a higher high on this 5 minute. We come down and then we sweep these lows. Then we make a couple dojis. Boom, we get a great move up. We disrespect this 5 minute gap right here. Then we make a 5 minute gap, as you can see right here. Let's go to the 1 minute of this. Then I enter pre-market, break a structure from this. I was off the market. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even see this until a little later. That's why my entry was a little late. But we did get a break of structure before where I where I entered. I entered off this right here. I entered right here, but I realistically would have entered right here. Okay, maybe. What time was it at that point? 9:18. Maybe. I don't like entering too quickly off pre-market just because it doesn't move too much. So I enter here and then we get this really nice move up before pre-market, and we actually end up hitting my take profit at like 9:27 before market even opens. Right there. Yes, yes, yes. That was my take profit. Okay. So that's where we hit, and I only made like 100 because I took it on the wrong front month contract, whatever. I'm an idiot. So then we do actually come up and hit this daily gap, which I should have held to, but I didn't. And then we end up dumping, which I should have probably caught a trade off of, but I did not. I should have probably shorted right here. Look, I regret it. I regret not shorting there, but you win some, you lose some, right? So we then bounce around. Okay, like I really want this gap to get taken. I took 3 trades. It's gonna suck. I need to keep this short because my Wi-Fi on this board on this ship is not great, right? So it's gonna take forever for this video to upload. Also, I had to pay for that Wi-Fi. That shit was not cheap, so I could trade. Um, yeah. Oh wow, I already have it set up. Okay, so boom, we bounce around, we make a low here. Okay, let's get this over here. That's a little uncorrelated. We come down and we come back up. Okay, and then we oh, okay, I know what happened. It was this one. We came into 0.618. I think I had it. I had it at this low. Sorry, coming to 0.618. Dump. I want this low. I want this London low so bad. And we end up. I end up. No, no, no. There's no way. I entered before this, right? No, I didn't. I must enter right here. Okay. So then we get an SMT. We actually get an SMT, like at these. At this. Well, I counted this as an SMT. I don't care. This to this. I know we didn't sweep it on ES. We didn't fully sweep. Okay. And I did not care because ES will sometimes not fully sweep and then will just go crazy. Okay. Counted as an SMT, so I put my stop at break even. Then I got stopped out, and then we ended up dumping, which I would have got stopped out either way because I had my take profit. I had my take profit at this London low and not this low because I was so confident that we were going to keep pushing lower into this London low, which eventually we did. Okay, so then we came into this London low and this 4 hour gap. We pushed down. Okay, they pushed back down into this low. Okay, I'm flying through this. So we have these gaps right here. Okay. I want you to keep in mind this 6.18. Okay. ES came into 0.618 right here while we are in this 4 hour gap to the upside. Okay. While we reswept that low. Resweep the low. Get very nice moves. Completely disrespect this gap here. And then I was like, okay, we're beautiful moves up, okay. But I held off and I waited. We get a retracement back down. And then I enter we got a retracement, boom, and then we started pushing out of that 1 minute. There was a 1 minute gap. And then we started pushing out. I enter right here and I long to this high just because, like how I said earlier, we were playing within like this range, and instead of coming down into these lows, we would just sweep the neck like the low that we just made, and we would go back up, and it was really like kind of like choppy. So I ended up taking that trade to this high instead of the high I wanted to take it to, which was this high right here at the inside that daily gap. But it happens, right? It's whatever. I made like 200. I just risked 1 unit on that last one, and I think I said I don't know if I said why I didn't make as much money as I was supposed to on this one. It's because I took it on the wrong front month contract. Whatever. $200 on the day. We made like 300, and we made like 100 yesterday. So we're up. Okay, we are up on this cruise. That is it for me today. I really was like didn't want to make this video, so I hope it didn't like suck, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it and hopefully learned something. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe if this helped, because I am desperate for subscribers. I'm not afraid to say it, right? Like I have like eight. That's crazy. But we all start somewhere, right? Right. I try to make these videos every day, and yeah, it was very good. I almost made so much money on this trade here. If we hit, we would have made like 700 today. 700 would have been nice. Okay, that's enough from me. I think that is it. Don't have anything else to say other than I'm so happy I'm on this cruise. So happy I can trade an hour later. lets me, eat breakfast, go to the gym. And I woke up like 30 minutes earlier than usual. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. And I'm going to enjoy my night. I hope you guys enjoy yours as well. It might not be as good as mine, obviously. But yeah, no, like seriously, I want you guys to enjoy your night and try not to think about this market until tomorrow. Or I'm trading Asia, so you know me. I'm trading Asia, so I should probably I'll see if I make a trade recap when I make my trade recap tomorrow. I'll go over Asia and whatever, and I don't know if I'll take a trade Asia. We'll see if I like anything. I might not actually trade Asia today. I'm not gonna lie, because I have a dinner. Enough for me. Have a good day, guys. I am done. I will see you guys tomorrow.